1. Gather all your supplies. You will need beads. You will need stretch cord. You will need scissors. And a small piece of tape. 2. Cut a piece of cord. Step 3. Tape your cord to the table. Pick your beads. You can choose whatever colors you'd like. 5. Put your beads on your string. Tie your bracelet. You might need a grown-up to help. Step 7. Give your bracelet to a friend. That's how you make a friendship